Comfortable with leaving their jobs at the tech support company.
Fucking punch him in his crying fucking eyes, I tell you that much. Spit his bloody lip out and say,
yeah, talk in the middle of the road.
Members solely because he's basically Bender but with less drinking. He lies when he needs to, he calls me master sarcastically at times. The first thing he offered, and my initial wow factor just flies out the window after maybe 10 minutes tops.
So that's why you're going on the other side.
Maybe I'll change my mind overall later.
Oh wow, you fucking dick.
Numbers?
If you can't get it to me by lunchtime, I'm just gonna have to go with another bid.
Just a minute, John.
Us to make a pit stop on Mars for some information that will help us against the Reapers. I'll get to the personalities and stories behind Caden, Vega, and everyone else that we pick up. At any rate, I take Freyr's side, obviously, and then ask them to talk out their differences. Zalbar's brother puffs out his chest like a gorilla, and I can almost hear the devs going, well, if you like that, then you're gonna love this. Basically, Malik is a lot more powerful than before, which is good.
Fucking
He shot someone in New Jersey all the way from Manhattan.
Manual recording will now start.
I'm pretty sure the car is not supposed to be like that on a tow truck. I can sit on my fucking ass, I am not moving any faster.
Manual recording will now start.
You fucking piece of shit! What the fuck are you doing?
I suppose I can make room for you too, Garrus.
Focus on their thoughts revolving around the galaxy being ravaged. So Caden has grown into his own person a bit more in the third game, but that growth has come with
Manual.
Between our friendship and your duty.
As such, she does seem to care more deeply about Joker, calling him by his real name and getting embarrassed when he comes. This looks like a job for me, President.
Don't you just love it when a scattered thunderstorm is deceptively powerful?
So they're all yelling in New York accents. All the little boys look angry, like they're from Brooklyn or Boston. They're from.
It's safer. Those $4.95 wines, yeah.
That Cole did this to himself, and I have to wonder if the way that this all went down was intentionally written to hit these exact emotions. Because, like I said, I think that
Manual recording will now start.
Family spends time with his wife, or even gets closer to Elsa would have been a better way to go. But Cole's such a plain, uptight character. If the devs had filmed in these scenes, I can easily see the player hating him. But if he had been a bit more charismatic,
Yeah, I'm not really gonna be able to do much. I gotta wait for him to cross.
I think that those scenes wouldn't have warranted as angry of a response. So as
Oh, tell me there are no ducklings.
Cole the way that he is, and thinks his cheating with his past of being an arrogant prick in the war only to be seen as a glorious
Alright.